How to report wrong location in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. It works on Android, iPhone or Samsung. So for that we will simply click on Google Maps. Once you guys click here you guys will simply go to the location that you want to report. For example, I want to report that location, so I will simply click on that location. Once you click on that location, here you guys will see direction, call, save, share option, but we will simply scroll on right side. Once we scroll here you guys will see edit more, so simply click on edit. Once we click on edit, here you guys will see all occasions, place is closed or not here, but we will simply click on the top one. Once we click here you guys will see place name in English, also place name. So simply edit the place and write it correct one. After that click on that don't know but this is incorrect. Once you click on that, after that click on submit. So once you click on submit, the report will be sent to Google team and they will respond it, and if that location was incorrect they will correct it. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.